Yo, 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 what up, YouTube This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I got a big unboxing for you guys. So I need to move a lot of this stuff out of the way. So let's move the keyboard out the way. This got to actually go on my chair, sorry about that. I pulled out that chair. So let's get that package over here. I already unwrapped everything on here, so here it is right here. Forgot to turn my mixer on, so that's me. So okay. So all right, so here's the package right here. Let's unbox this. No bat knife this time because this one doesn't really need it. Here we go. I'm mad excited for this one. Oh my God. Oh my Lord. Try to bend this a little bit. Okay, we get the acrylic stand. Nice. We get the charger. Nice. We get the blade plug. Sweet. We get a pommel. We get an emitter. This one is a little bit thicker, so for the blade. We get another emitter. This is a thicker one for the blade, which is that part right there, so it makes it easier for the blade to catch on towards it. We get the USB thumb drive, manual, the tools and the set screws, and this screw right here is basically for the soundboard, basically unscrewed at the bottom. We get the blade. This is what y'all love to hear, so I don't know if my mic will be able to pick it up, but I got the air conditioner running because it's hot outside. It's about 95 degrees. Let's get that off right there. Just throw that on the floor. Look like there's one more part, I believe. I can't get my nails on it. I'm trying to see if I could pull it from right here. So these parts of the blades like real hard to get. Okay, there we go. Can we get the full thing? There we go. I don't know if there's any more tape on it. It doesn't look like it. Okay, so we're gonna put that there. Just throw that on the floor. Anything else in here before we pick up the saber? There we go. Oh, and this thing is small. On video, this thing looked like it's big on video, how they actually showed it. So we actually got the bat knife. Here we go. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox these shit. So I'm just gonna prick it right there. Break that seal. There we go. On video, the way how he had it, it looked like the saber was big, but this thing is small. It's like the actual size. So this is the Luke Skywalker Hero 3 V3. Try not to turn it on. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of tape on this. Oh, there's a lot of tape. I might have to break it with the knife. I don't want to stab it too much. You know what? I might have to get my fingers, get the knife in here. There we go. Yo, they got this thing wrapped. I'm spending most of my time trying to unwrap this thing. Alright, we're gonna have to get through this. We're gonna have to get gritty in this. Speed slowly so we don't scratch up the saber. There we go. We finally in. This is nice. Let's get some of this plastic out the way. I like to do all my unboxings live, unedited. If I have to edit, it's because I either said something or made a mistake towards something. And I like to show y'all how you receive the stuff, like raw footage of unboxings, and what the hassle you got to go through to actually do it yourself. So let's try to cut that right there slowly, so we don't want to scratch up the saber. Okay, last part. And this part is the doozy. Okay. Man, they got this thing wrapped tighter than a condom. Jesus Christ, man. Alright, let's try to get in there. Alright. We're almost in. There we go. There we go. There we go. All that to unbox this. Hamburgers. Okay, guys. So here it is right here. We gotta actually take this out. This is actually a switch right here. To do that, I had to break the seal on here to pull that out like that. Got a switch right there. Slide that back up. So what we gotta do is we need this tool right here to get the chassis out, because we gotta hit the kill switch. So the only way to take the blade out, to get the core out, is with this little thumb screw. Just fell right out my hand. There is some scratch marks right here, and this is not by my knife. Yeah, there's some knife marks, not knife marks, but there is some marks on here. There is some marks on there, so most likely due towards customs. I could buff that out, it's not a problem. And I'm telling you, by the time this get played with, it's gonna have a little bit of scratches or whatever. Ooh, that core is tight in here. That's what she said. So here's the kill switch. And most likely I would have to probably... Yeah, I gotta charge this up. Oh, no, I didn't. No, I didn't. So let's do the kill switch again. Kill switch back on. Throw this back in. Take this off. Okay. Put this back on. Okay. Our first boot. Here's our first boot. Now the reason why it sounds low is because I'm using this pommel, which doesn't let in a lot of noise. So I have to actually use this one, but I don't feel like trying to go on camera and take everything off on here. So yeah. Got the LEDs. Alright guys, so this is the Luke, this is the Hero 3 version 3 lightsaber. Tell me what you think, and I'll catch you guys later. And it just came on. Let's turn it back off. All right, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow.